morning and good evening. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install PuTTY on a Windows system. So let's first talk about PuTTY. So PuTTY is basically a free tool that lets you connect to any remote server and desktop. So let's get started. Just open any Google window and type in PuTTY. Use the first link. Now, during the filming of this video, the current version is 0.83. Go to download. Since I'm using a 64-bit system, I'm going to use or select this link. Once the link is installed, just double click on it. Select next. If you want to change your directory where you want to install this, feel free to do so. Click on next. You can keep everything by default. If you want a shortcut to desktop, you can add that. But once you select your changes, just hit install. I don't want to read me, so let's skip that and finish. So that just basically installs PuTTY. Now, if you want to start PuTTY, just go to your search box and type in PuTTY. Now, in order to connect to a system, you need an IP address, right? So I already have another remote system that I can connect to, and I'm just typing in its ID. And once you type in the ID, so the port usually defaults to 22, and click on open. Type in the username and the password, and there you are, connected to PuTTY, connected to the remote system via PuTTY. Here you can browse to any directory that you want, run any program that you need, and that's it. Thanks for listening, guys. Take care.